Today I'm cooking crispy fried sweet potato for the afternoon snack. This recipe is for 10 to 12 servings. The ingredients needed are 1.2 kilograms of sweet potatoes, 120 grams of rice flour, 40 grams of wheat flour, 50 grams of corn flour, 70 grams of white grated coconut, 200 ml of cold water, 70 grams of granulated sugar, 20 grams of white sesame seed, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of baking powder. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Put 100 grams of rice flour in the mixing bowl, 50 grams of corn flour, 40 grams of wheat flour, 70 grams of granulated sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk until well combined. Alright. Add in 100 ml of cold water. Continue to whisk until smooth. I recommend adding water bit by bit to control the consistency of the batter. This consistency is very thick now. Mix in the grated coconut. This will help us to gauge how much water is needed. Okay, now add in 50 ml of cold water to dilute it. Whisk until well combined. Now, the consistency is a little too thin. Add in 20 grams of rice flour. Stir and mix again. Alright, the consistency of the batter is perfect now. Leave it in the fridge. Put 1 kilogram of cooking oil in the pan to prepare for deep frying. Switch on the heat and set the time for 10 minutes. By the time the sweet potato is cut, the oil will be hot and ready. Remove the sweet potato skin with a peeler. Repeat until all the skin has been removed. Alright, all done. Rinse them until clean. Cut each sweet potato into half vertically. Then slice them into half centimeter in thickness. Leave it aside. Here are all the sweet potato cut and ready for deep frying. After 10 minutes, test the oil by putting cooking chopstick in it. If a lot of bubble form up, the oil is hot and ready for deep frying. Take the flour batter out from the fridge right before cooking. Put about quarter of the sweet potato in the flour batter. Turn them until all the pieces are coated with the batter. Since we have a lot of sweet potatoes, I will fry it in a few batches. I will be frying the first batch without sesame seeds. Let's fry it. Drop the sweet potato in the hot oil one by one until they are all filled up the pan. Fry it for 5 minutes. While waiting for the first batch to cook, add 20 grams of white sesame seed into the flour batter. Mix until well combined. Next, add the rest of the sweet potato into the batter. Mix until all the sweet potato pieces are coated with the batter. Leave it aside. After 5 minutes, the sweet potatoes are cooked and crispy at the bottom of the pan. Turn all the pieces to the other side. Usually the sweet potato gets stuck together due to the flour batter if it is crowded. Using a spatula, tong, or chopstick, separate pieces that are stuck together. Please be careful when doing this, as it may cause oil splash. Continue to fry for 5 more minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. After 5 minutes, the sweet potatoes are all cooked and looks perfect. Remove them from the hot oil into the strainer. And shake off the excess oil. Rest it on the cooling rack for more excess oil to drip off. Remove any pieces of flour batter left in the hot oil, as they may burn by the time the second batch is cooked. Fry the second batch of the sweet potato with sesame seed for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip them. And continue with 5 more minutes. Alright, the second batch is ready. Remove them from the hot oil. Wow, this looks so delicious and so crispy. Rest them on a cooling rack with the first batch. Continue frying until complete. Look, this fried sweet potato looks so yummy. Rest to cool on the same cooling rack. Oh wow, so awesome. Break it. The sweet potato cooked perfectly from the inside and outside is super crispy. Let's eat. Wow, super crispy and very delicious. Perfect for the afternoon snack. If there is too much, it can be shared with friends and neighbors. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.